Welcome back, Freshwater Fishing Novices new viewers. I got a message from PJ Money. He was asking the best time of the day to fish. So we're going to cover that in this video today. Personally, I go out from, if I can, sun up to sundown, fish the whole day. And I typically go out sun up to sundown. A couple good times to go as a beginner or novice angler. 30 minutes before sunup, hour and a half after sunup. So 2-hour window, right when the sun comes up, 30 minutes before, hour and a half after. And this, oh Jesus. And the same thing applies in the evening or afternoon, dusk. I'll go an hour and a half before dark and 30 minutes after dusk. But that's not the best time to go fishing. Personal opinion, I think the best time to go fishing is the middle of the day, 10 to 2. That middle of the day window, sun up, bluebird skies, sun's beating down on you. That's my favorite. That's my personal preference as far as you're gonna catch a big fish. Now, you might say, what kind of proof do you have about this? Cut to this clip.
Oh yeah. Oh yes. Without a net. Look at that fish, dude. Look how big this thing is. 5, 4, 5.
So this fish I caught at 1:30 in the afternoon. This is my PB so far to date. My previous PB was caught at dusk. This one was caught in the middle of the day, 1:30. I didn't think I was going to get this thing. I didn't know it was in there. I didn't know what was happening. Anyway, this was almost 5.5 pounds. You might be saying 5.5 pounds, that's not that big. It's my personal best. Thanks for punching down. You might say, why would I trust this novice I'm watching on YouTube right now? Why would he know anything about when the best time of the day is to fish? I got you, skeptic. Check this out.
I have caught more and bigger fish in the middle of the day than I have early in the morning or late in the evening.
One of the best times of the day to go out and catch a big fish, right in the middle of the day.
Most of the truly giant fish are caught on sunny days. If you want to target specific times, the true giants, for whatever reason, you can catch them in the middle of a bright sunny day.
Almost all the big fish that I have caught have come between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. right when that sun is the highest.
See? I wasn't making that stuff up. I wasn't blowing smoke up your butt. 4 better anglers than myself agree with my opinion. I didn't form my opinion based off of what these guys have said. I was researching this video topic and ran into these 4 videos. And I thought it was interesting that we all had the same idea of when the best time to fish was. And I'm glad these better anglers than myself, we all agree middle of the day is the best time to go fishing. PJ, other anglers, I hope this video helps you get a better idea of when you should go out and fish during the day if you want to catch a really big fish. Thanks for watching this week. If you want to do all the YouTube stuff, give me a, or if you want to leave me a comment, give me another idea for a different video. If you have any questions, you can leave that down below. Or if you want to subscribe to my channel and help my channel grow, that would be great. I'm hoping this year I can crack 1,000 subscribers. So if you want to be part of that, thanks for watching this week. I hope everyone has a great weekend, or whenever you're watching this, I hope you have a great day. Whatever. Thanks for watching this week. I'll catch you in the next one.